Whoa, someone lost a trailer in the middle of the freeway and they just left it. Look, right there in the middle of the damn freeway. And it came apart, there's wood all over. Anyways, hey folks, Ola here coming at you from my truck. Well, today I decided to go to my favorite pond since it's been a little while since I've been there. I don't know, maybe a week. But I went to check on the fishies there, and yes, they were happy to see me for about the first 30 minutes, and then the bite went. It just completely shut off. So check out today's pond action. Good morning, folks. It is Saturday, just around 6 o'clock. There's a fish. Good one, too. In the dark. Oh, yeah. That's a nice one. On the crawl. Oh, wow. He's warm. I don't know if we can see that. Let's take a look. First fish of the day. There we go. What a pretty fish. He's a little on the skinny side, but not like those ones in the lake. All right, buddy. Let's put you over here. I can't reach the water. So gotta toss him. There he goes. There's a hit. Little guy. Keep these in my pocket. Pretty little fish. Sorry, fish. Gotta toss you. See if the drain donkey's home. Oh, I saw him take it. Whoa, he just dove up to take it. Wow. Fishing's kind of hot today. I saw him come right on up after that. Barely hooked. You're skinny. You're long and skinny. He's got a big underbite on that jaw. Here we go. That's three. 3 in about 15 minutes. That was pretty cool. I saw him just shoot up out of that drain. Now I'm on the full-size rage craw. I don't have any more of the little dennies. See if he's still hungry. I think there's some deep grass there. Come here, little guy. He's decent. These have been really good fish this morning. Uh-oh, he's on the tongue. Hold still. Let's get this out before you... There we go. He's bleeding, so we'll get him right back in. Little guy. Gotta go back for bait. Should have brought it with. Easy. Right in the chin. Pretty little guy. Number 5 in 23 minutes. We're averaging a fish every 5 minutes. All right, let's go get some bait. All right, we'll start making our way back. Oh, there's a hit. Oh, he just got off. Darn it. I tie a loop knot when I'm throwing these Rapalas that have that wobble. Just tie a regular overhand half knot. And then leave it like that. Thread on your lure. And you bring your line up through that half knot. Then I do 5 wraps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then I bring my tag end right back down through that little half knot that I made. I don't have my glasses, I can't see. Bring it back down through there and cinch it all down. Pull your tag down towards the lure. Don't forget to wet your line. When you're finished, it looks like that. And that tag will be facing down and won't collect as much garbage. Trim it just a little. Then that loop knot allows your lure to have all the free action it needs. There's a fish behind those lilies, I see it. He needs to come and bite my Senko. Oh, got a bite. That's a good fish. Fighting fish. There goes my Senko too. Woo, that's a better one. Okay, I thought the bite was dead. All right, fish. All right, you're caught. So chill. In the cheek. In that cheek cartilage. Boy, it sure helps to have pliers. Nice beauty there. Oh, let's see if we can get the release. There he goes. All right, so they just needed to swap baits. Ooh. Oh, he had it in his mouth. Had it in his mouth. Got him that time. Oh, that's a bigger fish. Stay down. That's a good fish. Oh, yes. Yes, yes, yes. That's what I'm talking about. Wow, look at that. He has some damage to his gills. But he's still alive. All right. Hang on. He's aggressive. He's got a real thick mouth. Let's show him to the camera. Look at this guy. Look at that. He's got a gill that's kind of hanging out the side. He fought like crazy. He's still got a nice belly. He's still eating. So good for him. Shoot, I wonder if I should trim it off. Or just leave it alone. Probably just leave it alone. That is a healthy fish for a damaged fish. One picture, guy, and then you're gone. Okay. Let's get your good side. Hey, Renshaw. Get some air while you're in there. All right. Cheese. He's gone. You're doing good for a broken gill. Go on. There he goes. Wow, nice fish. Nice fish. Okay. That was beautiful. Oh, and he comes off right there in the grass. What a beautiful strike.